In the vast Indian Ocean surrounded by clear waters and dense jungles lies an island no one can visit. It's called North Sentinel Island, one of the last places on Earth completely cut off from the outside world. The people here? They've never known electricity or modern medicine. But what if I told you they might be hiding something we were never meant to ever discover? Why is this island so dangerous? Why does the government ban anyone from going there? And most importantly, what could be lurking deep inside that no one has ever seen? Here's where things get strange. Instead of punishing the tribe, the Indian government did something unexpected. They completely banned access to the island, declaring it illegal to come within 5 kilometers. Why would they go to such extreme lengths? Is it really just to protect the Sentinelese, or is there something else? Many uncontacted tribes in the Amazon have accepted outsiders, so why are the Sentinelese so aggressively against human contact? Some believe the island holds ancient secrets, ruins, artifacts, or something even more dangerous. What if the tribe isn't just protecting themselves, but also protecting something valuable from the rest of the world? A closer look at Google Earth images reveals strange clearings and formations deep inside the jungle. Could the Sentinelese be the last survivors of an ancient lost civilization that built structures hidden beneath the jungle? Some researchers believe there could be ancient artifacts buried on the island, but no one has been able to search for them. Could there be evidence of an ancient civilization hiding beneath the jungle canopy, one that might rewrite history? The Indian government doesn't just ban tourism, they prevent researchers and scientists from studying the island. Some believe the island is a secret testing ground for biological research or hidden military experiments. Radio signals and unusual energy readings have been detected near North Sentinel Island. If the government isn't protecting the Sentinelese, are they hiding something? Scientists fear the Sentinelese have no immunity to modern diseases. A simple cold could wipe out their entire tribe. But what if the opposite is true? What if they carry a disease the world isn't immune to? Some researchers believe the island has deadly viruses or bacteria evolved in isolation. Could this mysterious island be home to a deadly virus that modern humans were never meant to encounter? Google Earth has shown unexplained dark patches in the jungle that don't match natural formations. Some believe there could be underground structures or hidden cave networks. But despite advances in satellite imaging, we still know almost nothing about the island. If we sent drones over the island, what would they find? Confirm our fears or prove some mysteries are better left unsolved? Will we ever uncover the truth about North Sentinel Island? Are the Sentinelese just a lost tribe? Or guarding something bigger than we imagined? Should we even try to find out? Should we respect their isolation? Or is it time to uncover the hidden truth? Let me know in the comments. If you love exploring the world's biggest unsolved mysteries, subscribe. Trust me, there's a lot more out there.